Mike, what are you noticing on radar? What's going in?
And go ahead and tell you what, we're still showing indications of a tornado just to the north of Highway 9, about to head into Potawatomi County. Go, Emily.
There it is.
There's the
Yep,
tornado
Mike,
right there.
There it is. It's starting. It's the funnel is coming down. It's in a tornado any moment. Folks, this is be heading over the lake. There we go. It is forming as we speak. Folks are watching it live. You need to take shelter immediately. Anyone as it heads towards Pink, as it heads northeast over Lake, it's going to form basically over the east side of Lake Thunderbird.
Yeah, I've got the tornado vortex there 1 mile due northeast of the Thunderbird Dam. That's exactly where that is right now. 1 mile northeast, just under a mile, about 3/4 of a mile northeast of the Thunderbird Dam on the northern side of Highway 9. So Bethel Acres is where that's heading from. It's not quite Potawatomi County yet, but that is either a brief touchdown there or a funnel cloud nearly down to the ground. Go, Emily.
Yes, Mike, we are located right now by the Country Boy Market on Highway 9, and we
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Logan County and central Oklahoma, northwestern Lincoln County.